Today we are going to make a quick and easy recipe of spaghetti, and the ingredients for which are: take 2 tablespoons of olive oil, add in 1 teaspoon of finely chopped garlic, we are going to saute our garlic on low flame so that all the flavor of the garlic is nicely infused in the oil. Our garlic is done. Now add 1 cup of tomato puree. We have blanched 2 large sized tomatoes and then made the puree of it. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Add in some freshly crushed black pepper, half teaspoon of red chilli flakes, half teaspoon of oregano, mix it and cook it for few seconds. Now we are going to add salt to taste, boiled spaghetti, toss it nicely and mix everything well. We will cook it for few minutes so that all the flavors are nicely absorbed by the spaghetti. We are going to give it a quick mix. Add in the olives, green, black, or whichever you prefer. Give it a mix and transfer it to a serving dish. Our quick and easy spaghetti is ready. If you like the recipe, then please like, share and subscribe the channel.